I found this one very interesting, right? Because even though the quote is like deletion, right? The part that was interesting is it was three pieces to it. It was to completely like decapitate, to cut, like trauma alert, right? Trauma blockers, uh, to completely remove a body part, right? I was like, oh, not complete removal, removing a body part. One. The second one was to puncture it, like to damage it, like really, really bad, but don't remove it. I was like, oh. Mm. And then the third one, trauma blockers, is related to like femicide, right? So it was a crime against women. So specifically, if you did something to harm the baby while it's in someone's like body, right? They had a whole separate piece for that. So that's very, very interesting. So that was just one, like, as soon as I see that, I'd be like, okay, that's in my head. That's this one right here. So there was three. So even though this particular section was like 302, like 302 is like three parts that go underneath that one. But the interesting ingredient, it must be approved beyond a reasonable doubt, right? Because it's criminal law. Now keep in mind with the civil, it's like you just kind of got to believe that they more than likely did it. Now with the criminal one, they're like without beyond a reasonable doubt. Okay. Okay, so what? We getting into these receipts. We getting into these receipts. I know you saw that. Alignment. So, if you like content like this, right? You like framework, you like structure, you like some guided support and looking at some of these documents, right? Go ahead and subscribe, because that's what we do here, right? I like taking content that's kind of like, whoa, what is that? And making it highly digestible so the everyday person can just literally just look at it and understand what's going on, because we see the news, but we're not really getting the information. We're not getting the who, the what, the when, the where, the why. We're not getting the breakdown. We're not seeing how the things, the policies are actually going to impact us, right? We don't get to see those things. So my desire was to make content that would make it easily digestible, accessible, and things that people can share with other people. So hopefully, if you like this video, you're excited enough to want to comment, like, and share. Subscribe, right? Subscribe to this content so you can get updates when I'm putting out new videos. Comment so that YouTube knows, that you're interested in this kind of content being accessible to other people. Share, do all the little things that I know you guys are already out there doing, but continue to do so that we can get it out to more people so they can benefit from this kind of information. Once again, it's legally everywhere. Well, we what, child? We looking into everything. Can't say I didn't come with them receipts, as the youth say. What? And I'll see you in the next video. Next time.